Hi everyone, I would like to introduce our updated model. It's 55 inch AVEL TV. It's model AVS 550 SM Hybrid. The main advantages of this model is hybrid panel. Since 2022, for all mirror AVEL TVs, we use hybrid panel. Hybrid panel help us to avoid the light reflection. As you know, if you use mirror TV and your TV installed in the bright room, like this room, there is a lot of light, three windows from the one side and one big window from the opposite side. So you can, in this case, you can face light reflection from the daylight or from the local room light. So hybrid panel help us to avoid this reflection, and you can enjoy clear and juicy picture.